There is nothing like starting Friday off on the right foot, and that means good advice from our friend and local psychologist, Dr. Beth Taublieb, who's here to discuss how to choose the right therapist. So good morning and welcome back.
Good morning to you.
Thank you. So really, it's not every therapist is right for everybody.
And you know, it's very interesting because over the past several years, there are a lot of people doing therapy. There are psychologists, there are social workers, there are mental health counselors, there are counselors, there are clergy. And you know what I always tell people, don't pay a lot of attention to the degree. Don't pay a lot of attention to the title. You want to look for two major things first. First, you want to look at, is that person licensed by the discipline that they graduated from? And number two, what experience, what expertise does that person have dealing with the issues you are presenting? You can have someone with 1,000,000 degrees, you can have someone who's brilliant, but if he or she is not experienced in helping people with the issue that you have, it's not going to help.
Now, how do you find that out? Do you just be honest and ask them?
I think it's crucial. You are very direct and you ask. And you know, if you have a person or a person's receptionist who seems to be a little bit uncomfortable, who seems to be a little bit defensive when you ask that question, that gives you a lot of data. That tells you something. Once you get in there though, you know, therapy, no matter how we look at it, is a relationship. If you go into that office and everybody is anxious at the beginning, everybody's nervous, but if you do not feel a connection with that therapist, if you do not feel, yes, this person understands me, again, you can have someone with a lot of expertise, but if the two of you don't connect, that's not the right place for you. If you are feeling judged, if you are feeling that this person bluntly doesn't like you, now again, you're not going to have a friend, but if you get a sense we're not connecting, I don't think he or she understands me, I don't think he or she likes me, this is not the place for you.
Interesting. And that just depends on different people.
Absolutely.
Because like you say, you're going in to get some help, and you do have to feel like you're in it 100% and you have that person's attention and that they're listening and they can give you advice that's really helpful. And you're right, people do specialize in different things.
They do.
If it's not their, you know, it's not, if that's really not their thing, you'll feel that right away, I would think.
And you know, a given therapist could be absolutely wonderful, perfect for one person with a certain issue. Someone else with that same issue can go to that therapist and say, wait a minute, he or she is not for me. And again, it's all the connection or lack thereof.
And the therapist should be okay with that, right?
The therapist has to be. I mean, I know I tell people straight out, their first meeting with me is a get to know each other. I have to feel that I am the best person for that patient and that I can help them. Similarly, that patient has to feel comfortable. I don't like doing it, but it's not uncommon. After 15, 20 minutes, I say, let's stop right here. For whatever reason or reasons, I don't think I'm the best for you. Let me give you a list of people. And it's important. It's important to be able to be direct with your therapist. Ask him or her anything.
Before we go, you're also going to help some folks who have, you're a pet lover, with a pet memorial service that you're going to be a part of. So I just want to quickly talk about that.
Thursday evening, 6 o'clock, sponsored by Mount Calvary and the Catholic Diocese. There is going to be an annual pet remembrance service, 6 o'clock at the Pine Hill Chapel on Harlem. If people want more information, call my office, 834-1505.
All right, and we can put up that information as well. Remember, that's Thursday.
This Thursday,
6 o'clock, okay?
23rd.
Now, here is Doc's office number for appointments only, 834-1505. If you want to get into a dialogue with her, drambeth.com, or email her at drtaublieb@ AOL.com.